Hey guys, so welcome to our labor and delivery vlog. It's official. This is our labor and delivery vlog. This is our labor and delivery story. So, background, went to my ultrasound appointment to just check up on the baby, check growth and everything. My water was low, my fluid was low. It's supposed to be at 10, apparently it's less than 5, which is not normal and not healthy for the baby. So they're about to induce me. So we just came in to get monitored, and baby's coming within the next, I don't know how long. So they're gonna induce me, so I'm good for now. The only thing that annoying now is this. So they just put the IV in and it's mad annoying. So yeah, come on, because you promised us the vlog. You ready? You ready? Ooh. But anyway guys, am I ready? No. Tomorrow I'm 37 weeks, so really we had 3 weeks left. I feel like I needed at least 2 out of those 3 weeks, or maybe another week. Maybe until this weekend we would have been fine.
Oh.
So yeah. I can't believe we're about to have a baby. So my mom is leaving work and everything because we don't have no hospital bag, nothing. I forgot my wallet at home today. Like, it's crazy. I'm not gonna see my students tomorrow. Oh my god. But anyway, at least me not look tree bad, you know. You're kind of proper somewhere. We'll see how long that lasts. Oh, tell Shav to bring my brush and stuff so I can make sure my hair is good. So I'm texting people. I don't want much people just be on my line, but like, you know, I'm updating a few friends and stuff. Sweet, I look for me. You not tell nobody yet, though. We're telling Manda. Come here, great boy.
A few friends.
You few friends? Boy, your besties.
A few friends.
You tell your besties.
Few friends.
Anyway, guys, there's so much stuff that I'm thinking about, like godmother proposal. I didn't do my maternity shoot. So anyway, I will check in later when the party starts. Right now we're just here. Baby daddy?
Stressed out.
You're stressed out?
No.
Oh god.
I feel nervous.
You feel nervous? Me too. When we start hollering powder house though.
Sorry, cut down the fingernail.
No.
Oh, what else? I'm nervous. Well, I'm nervous, as I say, but I'm ready. I'm ready. One thing I don't want to edge up in most of that day, so can't firm up.
And get your cut and stuff. Fresh cut.
No.
Line up.
No, sir. Please.
If you had the choice, you would have went to the barber.
No, honestly.
You just a top boy in a lineup. Alright guys, so we'll check in when stuff start happening. Because right now, I'm nervous in my front. I'm not telling a lie. I'm nervous. But baby boy is about to be here. But that's why I said not to put him on my chest.
Oh, power chest.
On my chest. You be from on him?
Of course. Oh. Alright,
Yes, sir. So you want him? Anyway, guys, laters. We're about to be parents. But go right tell you stuff before we need to be.
Later, guys. Bye. Hey guys, what the problem Shadi is my go vlog whenever she in the hospital, so now she there go through some pain because them induced her, so she there feel whole heap of pain. Tell her she soon get better, right, babe? Everything's going right. So pain kick in, she lay down, can't bear, so she stand up. They wait on her to feel better, so can't put her back for lay down. I'm gonna bring stuff scone girls, so I'm gonna get them when she reach out of the car and make sure she gets some feet before then so she can't eat again, cause you know you can't eat certain time when I got a baby, right? So yep, they're in her room. I'm gonna laugh, even though they're not funny, but I kill her, you know. Yeah.
Guys,
Mash up.
I feel like I'm curious to know how dilated I am. Look on my edge. I'm curious to know how dilated. Are you in a go me up?
Come on, try give you a look comfort.
Come I'm elbow ask you sir.
Killer.
Yeah. But I'm curious to see how far I am like dilated, because just to compare the pain, because I don't feel like it's crazy yet, but it hurts. So watch it be like 1 centimeter. I'm like, dang, if this was 1 centimeter feel like, what 8, 9, 10 I gonna feel like? But it started, y'all. I wish I knew the medical terms to tell y'all what they did, but basically it's like, it's not even a tampon, it's a piece of paper they pushed up on my cervix to dilate, to speed up to soften the cervix, I guess. They want to give me Pitocin. I'm not gonna take it, just in case I take the epidural, because I heard I'm not supposed to mix them both. So if I'm gonna take the epidural route, I would just rather go the epidural route than go Pitocin and epidural. So I'm gonna refuse the Pitocin and let it just do what it do naturally. I'm gonna do what it do, baby. And I'm over here playing music and trying to breathe through these pains, and yeah, that's it.
Well, that's it.
That's it for now.
My vlog.
So hey guys, last time I checked in, they induced me. That was dropping the baby heart rate, so they had to remove it to like monitor him. His heart rate is still dropping, so now it's C-section. Didn't want that, but at this point don't got a choice, so it's gonna be a C-section delivery, and I'm gonna be awake. So the good thing is I get to see him or hear him. Sweets are gonna see him before me. What mommy there? Well, mommy joined the party, y'all. She couldn't miss. G-Ma could not miss it. She couldn't miss it. So yeah, so it's not that quite labor and delivery vlog as expected, but I had to remove my earrings, my nose ring, my watch, my bracelet, everything. So y'all just getting this raw old footage. Yeah, I thought y'all whisper. Oh, you feel?
Me?
I'm nervous.
I'm
nervous.
I got my partner yourself.
I'm nervous. C-section. That's something I didn't want.
When the man says C-section, me look bad like.
From I go to the testosterone, me know it's a C-section. It prevents bleeding. I see she cut me ready.
Yeah, guys, I don't know. I feel like my vibe is broke just because, like, I was expecting like a labor and delivery vlog. Now it's a C-section vlog. But you know,
it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. The goal is to get him safe delivery.
That's all that matters.
So hopefully, basically they're saying that he can't handle like the stress, so it's best to take him out now because his heart rate keeps dropping. We don't know why. It could be the fluid, the lack of fluid that's in my uterus. So yeah, Sweets will take over the vlog now. I'm gonna show you what. Oh, don't let it go. You got hold like this, guys. I'm having a contraction right now. I said I don't want to be the one to like yell and scream. Breathing does help, so. And some tears.
Nervous.
Yeah, I put that in suit.
We can't put that in.
Suit over
When
there.
they put that when I grow there?
Put on a book man suit go there. Don't even put on like when you're on them bringing go inside. I think something like that.
Check, take your camera out.
We're going to actually put a catheter right in your bladder as soon as you're nice and numb in 5 minutes. Just hold your pee for 5 minutes.
Put your hands in the bed.
trying to help us drive.
Anyway, it's hours later, y'all. Hours later. The next day and everything from the last time we vlogged. We're in the post-op room. So I ended up, did I tell you I ended up getting C-section? We're in the post-op room, yeah. So I don't know if I told you I ended up having to get C-section because his heart rate couldn't manage the labor process. So yeah, so he's here. We're doing well. I'm just learning the ropes of what to do. First time feeding baby. It's a struggle. I thought it would be easy. There you go. You're not hungry.
Yep, depending on it, me tell you, I'm going to catch in there. Because that's in my leg.
It means they not with me mode. But yeah guys, I've just been eating ice all day. I did throw up, so I wasn't able to eat. So they just gave me some crackers. If I'm able to keep that down by 4 o'clock, I'm good to eat and get up and shower. I haven't moved from this position because one, my legs has just been numb. I can feel them now, so I feel like I can move around and I can shower. I can, you know, get myself together and all of that. But yeah, wakey wakey, you gotta eat. You gotta eat, Baba. But y'all, G-Ma is here. Sweets had left to go get some sleep. So Mumi's here. He's on his way back now. Was that a burp? But y'all, there go G-Ma. Yeah, she not missing a beat. Okay? Say hi. Say hi, mister.
I laugh after. Look about.
But yeah guys, that's what's been happening. I'm really low-key bummed that this wasn't the labor and delivery that I expected, but listen, at the end of the day, I'm grateful. He's healthy. He's good. The only thing was his sugar level. His sugar level was a bit, it was high when he did his first sugar level test. Then the second one it dropped, so they've just been monitoring that. He has one more to pass, then he's good. So he's been doing well on the others. And just now his temperature is 0.5 below where his temperature is 5 point below where they want it to be, so they're going to start monitoring that. And then after that, he's fine. He's been pooping, he's been peeing, so that's been good. I have not done, well, I have the catheter in, so apparently I'm peeing without even knowing. But yeah, haven't pooped yet. I just took some stool softener. One of the side effects, y'all, of me, other than the chills, is itching. Like I've been itching all day. My face, my stomach, my breasts, like my feet, just been itching everywhere. Just itch, and that's a side effect of the, what is it called, the C-section. But yeah, it's a side effect of the anesthesia that I had. But yeah, I'm good. My heart is full. I FaceTimed some of my students as well so they can see him, because yesterday we were just talking about like when I'm leaving, and we didn't expect it was this last minute, so I checked in with them today and they're good and they know what's going on. So yeah, so I'll check in with y'all later. Not much happening in here. I need to go charge my phone because it's dying, almost dead. Which room is this, Mummy?
454, I think. 524. 524.
524, yeah. Okay, so anyway, I'll check in with y'all later. I got my IV in. I got this one that's running, and I have this one just in case. After a while you get used to them, they don't hurt anymore. And you can move around. When I first got it yesterday, I was just like, oh no, I'm not moving. But yeah, I'm excited to go shower and just feel clean and fresh. Mommy did wipe me down. Mommy gave me a bird bath, or as Jamaicans say, Mommy tidied me up top. I got my incision line, so they've been tracking that to make sure that it's not getting wider and it's, you know, working. My uterus is back down to like my belly button area, so it's working its way down. So everything is on the up and up and up. But anyway, I'm just trying to give you guys as much updates as possible, because right now it's 3 o'clock and I have not updated y'all all morning, and I've just been up basically. So I've been in and out of sleep too, but I'll talk to y'all later. Hey guys, so it's the nighttime. Don't worry about my laces lifting. But anyway, this baby kid is at the nursery tonight. Is it the nursery or the ICU? He's at the nursery because they tested him for jaundice earlier, and his level should be at about a 7 or below. He's at a 7.7. So they're keeping him overnight under like this light to get his numbers down and whatever. So he's not sleeping with us tonight, which makes me sad and emotional. I'm trying not to like dwell on it, because he's right down the hall, so whenever I want to go see him, I know exactly where to go. But I think I get to see him at 11:30 for feeding, but other than that, he stays in the nursery tonight, which sucks. So our first night apart already. I was just trying to use my breast pump because he's not latching on, so he's been on formula, but I'm trying to get him to latch, and also for me to start producing milk and colossal, whatever that word is that it comes before the milk comes. So I started pumping. It's not coming out, a little twips, like a little bit came out of me pumping just now. So I'm gonna keep pumping to get that flowing and stuff, so hopefully by the time he latches on, I have milk. So I've been a mom for a whole, well, I have not been a mom for a whole 24 hours yet, y'all. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 hours. Been a mom for 18 hours. 10 out of 10 will definitely recommend. I'm just looking at him like, this little human being is mine. Big old father right there. I eat in box food. I consume in box food. And the chicken look bone up. I have a pancake. But yeah, my mom was here. She was here for the delivery. Well, she didn't come in the surgery room, the OR, but she was in the room, so she saw him when he came out and stuff. She's been here all day. She just left to go home. It's just me and baby father right now. He's eating food. I had Panera earlier. I'm not really hungry, and I got a popsicle from the room outside. It's like a snack room. They got juice and everything, and I also got some ice that I'm gonna munch on. And yeah, that's what's going on. Nothing much. I wish Kai was here with me right now, so just like look at him, smell him, pick him up, kiss him. But he's coming back. They're, like I said, they're dropping him off. Not dropping him off. He's gonna stop by for feeding, so I get to see him and cuddle with him before I go to bed, even though I'll be falling asleep like that. When I'm up and like moving, it hurts. But when I'm just like this, it's fine. Or if I'm trying to turn my sides and stuff, it hurts. So I try to like just stay on my back. But yeah, How is parenthood for you so far?
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
You want to vlog when you're done?
I don't know.
You're gonna vlog? They seen me more than they seen you, and you're the one that's supposed to be vlogging.
Last night.
Kai was born.
From morning.
Well, for morning. Oh, last night was rough.
Exactly.
Yeah. Last night was rough, y'all, because I was in pain. I was in so much pain. Contractions hurt. 0 out of 10. Definitely would not recommend. But I breathed through them. No medicine, even though I didn't fold. I had to do the C-section because I was really gonna just breathe through them as they got stronger, cry through them and stuff. They wanted to give me Pitocin. I wasn't gonna take it, but then because baby heartbeat was, you know, getting messed up and stuff, we had to go to the C-section route. But he's here and I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I can't describe the feeling, but it is chef's kiss. Anyway, I don't know what I'm about to do. It's early. It's 10:13. It's mad early. And I know if I drop asleep now, I'm gonna wake up in the middle of the night. So I don't know. Anyway, I will check y'all. I just wanted to pick the camera up and update y'all real quick. I get to shower tomorrow, like shower. Today I had a bird bath, but I told y'all all about that. And I just went again inside to like wash up and stuff again. But yeah, tomorrow I really get to like shower. I'm excited. I'll vlog when baby kid comes back in the room, y'all. Good morning, guys. So we just got baby K back from the nursery for feeding. Still not breastfeeding yet, but I'm not stressing it for now. So he's just drinking his Similac. I tasted it. It tastes like watered down Ensure. But he's sleeping, so I'm trying to wake him up so he can eat. But yeah, his jaundice level went down. Jaundice level went down, or jaundice, I don't know. So yesterday they were 7.7. Now it's 7.1. It needs to be 7 or below. So fingers crossed. They are going to keep him in the nursery still, so hopefully by tonight he's here with us, and then hopefully going back home tomorrow. They did my blood work this morning. I think they were checking, I forgot what they said they was checking for, but I came back good. I still haven't gone to the bathroom yet to do number 2, but waiting on that. They took my incision thingy off, so now that's a little bit hard. When I got up, I felt like my insides were falling through the cut, but other than that, I heard it's just gonna be a while for me to recover, which is fine as long as Sweets doing fiddle. So body up in the comment, make sure I'm doing fiddle. But yeah, baby is asleep. He's not trying to eat, so I'm trying to force him to eat, but wake him up to eat. But yeah, that's on the agenda this morning, and I get to shower. I'm excited about that, so I'm gonna do that soon, maybe after we straighten up a little bit and get him back to the nursery. And baby daddy behind the camera, what you gotta see? Action pan, you know, the camera it like it's my blinky battery. So guys, I got breakfast. I was just falling asleep. Every time I get the pain meds, I fall asleep. So I was just sleeping. But room service just came in, so we're about to get something to eat. Then I'm gonna try to take a shower and try to get some more sleep. I'm so tired. But I will talk to y'all later. I just wanted to show y'all breakfast. Hopefully it tastes good. Let's do a taste. Let's do a taste test. Evening.
Yeah.
later. Hey guys, so just a quick update. I'm here by myself now. Sweets went to go deal with some work stuff, so I'm here. My mom should be coming in any second now though. So they just brought baby to me to feed him. The struggle is real because I fed him about 5 milliliters, and the bottle fell, so I can't move. Like my C-section scar is hurting like really bad, so I'm just like timing it so my mom can come in. Every time he has to feed, I get 30 minutes with him. It sucks, like it really sucks. But hopefully when they retest him today at 5, his jaundice as went down so that he can be in here with me. Okay. Somebody came in the room. One thing you gotta get used to is people just be in and out the room. But anyway, the baby went back now. Mommy came. Mommy came through. By the way, my camera died, so if y'all see the quality change, that's why. But Mommy came through with I think I want ZBE. Oh, I swear to something. Mommy came back with some cornmeal porridge. This is what baby K gonna be eating all the time. So, got some cornmeal porridge with my Excelsior water crackers. I'm about to eat. Record. Hey y'all, so day 2 today, Thursday. I don't know if it's day 2 or 3, but I would say day 2. It feels like 3 just because I've been here since like Monday night, so I guess it's like kind of 3. But anyway, I didn't vlog that much today because the camera's been dead and the battery is in the car and we keep forgetting it to get it. So today, as I told you, I've been pumping just because he hasn't been latching on, so I've just been pumping consistently every couple hours just to, and I made my first round today. It's not much. It's about 3 milliliters, but we'll take it. It's progress. This came out of the right one. Barely anything. It's like a drop. I don't know if y'all can see it. A drop came out of the left one, but progress. But yeah, I just wanted to come and tell y'all that because I was hyped. So I'll see y'all in the morning. We get discharged tomorrow, hopefully, and I'll just give y'all a lowdown of everything. It's just been a lot, but I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Guys, I got a whole cold sore on my lip. It's so big and ugly, so I'm gonna spare y'all. This one laughing at me, but it is going home day. We came here on Monday evening, and today is Friday, so we spent like a whole week, it feels like, in here. So we're checking out. I'm about to change baby's clothes. I didn't get his going home outfit because it's in the mail, so it didn't come yet. So I'm just gonna dress him in what I have. I'm already dressed. Cece's dressed. Everybody's dressed. He's about to make a trip to the car. You ready to go home? I'm ready to sleep in my bed low-key and get this thing off my lip. It's so... I asked the nurse. She was like, it's probably just my hormones just like out of whack or whatever. I don't know, but it's horrible. So everything is packed. Baby has been a good little boy. He's been sleeping as we are getting prepped and stuff to take him home. I'm about to change his outfit and hit the road. The hospital did give us some stuff in here, so that's good. But yep, it's time to go. It's been real. Room 524.
Hello. Can I show you? Bye. So anyways, we are going. We almost reached our house. This is BrightAsDae. See it in the back. Killer.
My sunny sun. And I will lamp on my hand.
And let's see her reaction to this homecoming for Kai with Mama.
Oh.
Alright.
Okay. We got
Alright.
a little welcome party.
Come.
Aww. You got a whole bunch of people.
Baby, God got it bright. Why like the exposure too bright?
You don't want to pop out. And most like them do stitch out the glue they use.
Alright. Oh, your feet
Carry
bright.
something for.
Mm-mm.